Hello guys, we have hit 2000 subscribers. Yay! That number might not sound huge compared to the biggest creators on YouTube, but for me, it's starting of my journey, and it's proof of that consistency, learning, and showing up every day actually works. Um so today I want to thank every single person who have subscribed to ChetanAIChronicles and share what's coming next. So just a brief about my journey. When I started this channel, I had no guarantee uh, that anyone would have watched my videos, no audience, no viral videos, no shortcuts, just a passion for AI and a mission to help people use to improve their careers, businesses, and everyday lives. Video after video, I kept on experimenting, learned what worked, and improving with every upload. So this is a testament for consistency. And if anybody would like to start their journey in YouTube channel, consistency is very important. Now, as of now, I'm doing a weekly uploads, but yeah, consistency, and also it should add value to the viewer, right? So that is where it is very important. So video after video, what I have done was I kept experimenting, learning what worked, and improving with every upload on the content. And now we have officially crossed 2000, and kudos to you guys along the way. I think we have done, this channel has developed day by day, week by week. Seeing thousands of you people watch and engage with the content is incredibly motivating for me. This milestone is not only for belongs to me, this belongs to all of us. you know it belongs to all of us. I want to sincerely thank everyone who watched a video, left a comment, shared a video with a friend, subscribed to the channel. Every like, every comment, and subscription helps this channel reach more people. Your support means more than you know. What's coming next? This is only the beginning. Over the next few months, you can expect more AI tutorials, more AI tools and workflows, real world AI projects which solve the problem statement, interview preparation things, automation guides, side hustle, and productivity content powered by AI. My goal is very simple: to make this channel one of the best place to learn practical AI solutions. So that is my goal. Next target is 5000 subscribers, and I believe we can get faster than ever before. If you have been enjoying the content but haven't subscribed yet, this is the perfect time to join the community. Thank you again for helping ChetanAIChronicles reach 2000 subscribers. We are building something amazing together. Stay curious, keep learning, keep building. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you all.